keeping you connected.
We are following an NBC26 weather alert. We have a winter weather advisory up for most of the viewing area. The one exception is Langlade County, where we have a winter storm warning. Here's a look at Storm Shield radar showing a large area of snow now pushing in from the south and west. And this snow is falling quite heavily at times with some big flakes from Sheboygan County up through Winnebago County into southern Wapaka County. And you can now see additional snow redeveloping here across parts of west central Wisconsin and southern Minnesota. So once the snow starts, it's going to be sticking around pretty much all night long into tomorrow morning. The snow will fall heavily at times into tomorrow morning, and then warmer air will surge in from the south during the late morning and early afternoon on Thursday. And that means we'll have kind of a mixture of some snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain. Thunderstorms are possible as we make our way through the afternoon and evening, and that means some flooding is possible as well. We're going to have strong northeast winds, at times gusting to around 50 miles per hour, and we can expect hazardous traveling conditions. Here's Skycast starting at 6 o'clock, doing an excellent job of showing where the snow is right now. Watch it steadily move north here throughout the evening hours by 8 o'clock, lining up from around Green Bay to Manitowoc, pushing north towards let's say Crivets and Oconto and Sturgeon Bay by around 1 o'clock in the morning. Still snowing heavily at times until about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning from about Appleton to Manitowoc. South of that, the snow starts to mix over to some sleet, freezing rain, or rain. By 10 o'clock, still snowing in Green Bay and points north. Could be falling heavily at times, and then that warm air will continue to work in as we head through the afternoon. The highest totals overall will be north and west of Green Bay. 6 to 10 inches is expected. From central Wisconsin towards the lakeshore, really for the rest of the viewing area, 3 to 6 inches is likely, but some locally heavier totals are not out of the question, where we see some banding of heavier snow throughout the night into tomorrow morning. And then as that warmer air moves in tomorrow, we're going to be looking at the threat of some sleet and freezing rain, with ice accumulations ranging from 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch or higher as we move into the evening hours. Right now, in the valley, the snow is knocking on the door, 36 degrees. With gusty northeast winds. In Green Bay, we've got a couple more hours to go until the snow arrives. It is 38 degrees and cloudy with strong northeast winds. We had 70s on Monday, 50s yesterday. Today, temperatures were only in the 30s, but look at this, 70s and 80s across parts of Missouri and Kansas. This is where the storm is now developing here across parts of Nebraska and Kansas, and this storm is a powerhouse winter storm. It's producing a ton of snow here across parts of Nebraska and South Dakota and western Minnesota. Some areas will see over 2 feet of snow with hurricane force winds. For us, heavy snow at times tonight into tomorrow morning, and then some sleet and freezing rain. We'll have strong northeast winds, blowing and drifting snow, even though it's wet and heavy with those gusty winds. Could be looking at some ice shoves and also locally heavy rain. Here's a look at the wind gusts tomorrow morning between 40 and 50 miles per hour or stronger. Temperatures tomorrow will be chilly. Our normal high is in the lower 50s. Most of us will see highs only in the lower to mid 30s. We have the chance for some thunderstorms tomorrow. Actually, a threat for some severe thunderstorms across southern Wisconsin. For us, some gusty winds, some small hail, and some locally heavy rain is possible. You can see those here on Skycast as we move through the afternoon and evening. And, you know, on top of the snow, some areas could see 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain, and that could lead to rising streams and rivers, backyard and basement flooding, and ponding of water on area roads. This is a major storm. Tonight, snowy and windy, lows around 30. Tomorrow, snow early, then a wintry mix as we move into the afternoon. Chance for some thunderstorms with very gusty winds. Look for highs only around 35. A mixture is possible at times on Friday, a light mixture, maybe a rain or snow shower on Saturday. And then look at this, Sunday afternoon, Sunday night into Monday, we could be looking at another storm moving across Wisconsin with the potential for more accumulating snow. We'll take this storm first, then worry about that one. 50s arrive next week.
Wow, really packing a punch, Cameron.
Yeah, this is going to be the second April in a row with some crazy, crazy winter-like weather, no doubt about it.
What stuck out there at me was the ice. 1/4 inch of ice possible.
Yeah, yeah.